Why hello there, welcome to my video. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this channel and the direction I want it to go in. So take a seat and get ready for this hot mess. I probably look like a complete idiot with these glasses on, but whatever, I'm gonna go with them. Why not? Why not be a jerk with sunglasses on inside? On an overcast and rainy day. So yesterday for Memorial Day, Savers was having a giant 50% off most things sale, so clothing and home decor and things like that. The one time I'm filming was the one time that someone actually contacts me. Awesome. As I was saying, Savers was having a big 50% off sale, and personally, I usually think that Savers is a little bit overpriced. I'm more of a Goodwill kind of gal. Savers, I noticed that they'll still sell like Forever 21 items for $15, $17, and I think that's a little crazy, especially since they're like 5 years out of style and used. But with 50% off, they're actually a good deal. So I spent about $67 and ready for a little haul. Alright, so this is everything I got. Quite a big bag. I bought the bag too because I figured why not. It was $1 and it was raining outside and I didn't want to carry a bunch of things out in the rain and possibly drop it into puddles and whatnot. So I bought the bag. Wow. Okay, so the first thing I got was this pair of Levi's jeans. They were originally priced at $9.49 and they're 50% off. You do the math, I am dyslexic. Anyways, they are just like the perfectly slimming boot cut Levi's. I don't know. I thought they were cute. They're just these little blue jeans. Pretty straight-legged. Well, they're bootleg, what am I saying? But yeah, they looked pretty good on me, and for less than $5, you know, couldn't go wrong with that, alright? And I had such a horrible time trying to find pants that actually fit me, so the fact that I found a pair. Crazy. What's even crazier is that I found another pair of jeans that fit me. These are like a lighter wash. They're just relaxed, tapered jeans. They're the same price as the previous ones, and I rolled them up at the bottom. I thought that looked the cutest. Otherwise, they're kind of a bit of an awkward length on me, but for like $5, who can go wrong? The last piece of denim I got was this really ugly dress. It ties in the back. It's it's pretty long. I might do a try on haul. I'm not sure. We'll see. But it's just, I found it and I really liked this sunflower and watering can design on the front, and I thought it would look pretty cute if I took a belt and cinched it and gave it a bit more of a modern flair. I thought it would be cute for maybe just like a nice spring day, or for an actual photo shoot, maybe go to a sunflower field, which I've done before, which was pretty fun, with a pretty girl and like some sunglasses and a nice hat, and I thought that would look pretty cool for maybe a shoot, and it was originally priced at $5.99, so half off, you know, about $3. I also got this weird little blousey thing, and it was really cheap, and I don't know if it's gonna fit me because I didn't try it on, but it is from a brand I can't pronounce, and it was $5.49, and then half off that. It's just like this really trendy shirt that you see all the pretty Instagram girls wear, and I don't think I could actually pull off. But if it fits, maybe I could. I'm not sure. But I figured for that price, why not give it a shot? Then I got this LL Bean t-shirt. It's just a basic t-shirt with pink stripes, and pink is my favorite color, and I've been looking for more just basics to wear because I am definitely gravitated to more wild and statement piece clothing, and then I don't have what's the word? Basics. Yeah. And then I don't have basics to go with those statement pieces, and you can't just have an entire outfit of statement pieces or else it's probably just gonna be a mess like this channel. And this was $7.99 originally. I thought this t-shirt was super cute, very elementary school. It's from Talbots. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I see a lot of that brand in thrift stores, and it's pretty much an old lady store. So this isn't like a shirt designed for old ladies who are probably gonna go gardening or something, but I thought it was really cute, and it has like this very, you know, primary color look, which I've been crazy about, with this little watermelon embroidered on the front, which was super cute. I think this will look really good tucked in a pair of jeans and maybe my hair like this or something. I don't know, but I thought it was cute. My goal for this little thrift trip was to find more summer clothes because a lot of my old clothes are just not my style anymore. But I still grabbed some wintry things because the heart wants what the heart wants. So I got this little tanky turtleneck shirt with short sleeves. I mean, I guess you could wear this in the summer, but I just feel like the thickness of the material and the turtleneck would still be a little hot. So this is more of like a fall piece, maybe with a jacket thrown over it. And I thought this would look, it was originally $2.99, and I thought this would be really cute to wear to work because it is a business casual dress code. So I thought that was perfect. Alright, this little tank top is really small now that I take a look at it, and I don't think it's gonna fit me how I would want it to, but I really liked the color, the design. It literally just says firecracker on the front, which is a very 4th of July thing, and we don't really do much for 4th of July. But I just thought it was a very summery piece, and it was originally priced at 99 cents. So, actually, now that I read this is a kid's shirt. This is kids. This was in the women's section, and yeah, that's why it's so tiny now that I take a look at it, but I'll figure out something to do with it, I hope. This next shirt was also from Talbot, I don't even know, the old lady store. And I just really liked this V-neck with the little circle thing, whatever. I thought it was very cute and classy. I thought this would look really nice tucked into some mom-styled jeans or something, even though I don't really own a pair of those yet. And this was originally $11.49, which is what I kind of think of like a little overpriced, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, I feel like at Goodwill this would have been like $8, you know? But at half off, I thought it was a good enough price for me. Yeah. Alright, then I got this little cropped tank with some lace. It's like this nice brown plaid kind of look, and it is originally from Forever 21. It was $2.99, and I usually like to stay away from Forever 21 pieces when thrifting, but I don't know, for that price I figured, you know, why not? And it still has these in them, and I feel like any sane person, if they were actually seriously like wore this a lot, they would have cut these right out, but they weren't cut. And it doesn't look pretty worn, like it looks barely worn, so I figured I'm practically getting like a brand new Forever 21 piece for less than $2, so why not? I keep saying why not, why not, why not, why not? This thing is absolutely adorable. It has Winnie the Pooh and Tigger on it, and it is huge. This is a very big t-shirt, but I think if I tie it up in the front or something, it could work with a pair of jeans and some chunky blue sneakers. It was $7.99 originally, and I just thought it was adorable, and I love Winnie the Pooh. I think he's so cute. This next thing is super weird, and I might actually just have to quickly try it on to like really show you guys what it is. But it's like a throwover. Like, you don't actually wear this as a shirt. I mean, I guess if you're really adventurous and risque, maybe, but I would put this like over a tank top or like a bralette or something, and it has like one actual sleeve that's tied in the front, and then the other sleeve is just like a spaghetti strap. I thought it was pretty cute. It's from the brand Call Me Eden, and it's an extra small apparently. I hope my arm can fit in that. I don't know now that I think about it, but yeah, this has an original tag on it, and I did a Google search and I couldn't find anything on this brand, so I think this is like one of those like nasty gal where they like jack up the prices, but really it's like the quality of Forever 21, and then they sell it for like on sale for like 50% off. That's the kind of brand I think this is, because it's originally priced at $68, and this is definitely not like a $68 quality shirt. Like, you get this at Forever 21. But it was priced for $5.99 originally, and again, everything was half off, so do the math. So I thought for that price, it was worth it. This I thought was so perfect for photo shoots. I kind of felt bad about buying it because the cashier I had said that her friend was actually eyeballing it to do like LARPing and whatnot, and then I was like, oh, now you're making me feel bad that I bought it, but I still did it because it was too cool looking. It's from Krista Coepi, I don't know. It was $6.49 originally, and it's like this corset type vest with these angels on it, which reminds me a lot of that trend that a lot of Instagram influence girls have been wearing, and it has this like lacing up in the front, and I thought this would be super good for photo shoots. So I'm really psyched about this. It feels like, obviously like, not like the best quality in the world, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart. And it's just a super cool design, so I was psyched when I found this. Alright, this next shirt I thought would be pretty cute for another photo shoot, or I don't know if this would be appropriate for work, but maybe for work too. It's just like this shoulder, like I guess it has like this strap to help keep it supported, but it's basically a sleeveless little shirt that's a little bit shorter in the back actually. It has this like weird multi-layered kind of look to it. And then it ties with the sleeves around the it ties with these like ribbons around the arm, like right there. And I just thought, I don't know, I thought it was a little bit ugly, but also could be really cute. So I got it, and again, I think it might look really good for photo shoots for something. Usually when I go thrifting, I find a lot of skirts, and I just love skirts. My skirt collection has gone through the roof ever since I started to thrift, but a lot of them don't actually fit me. I just get them because I think they're cute, and either, hopefully one day, hope that I'll be able to fit into them, or if they're too big, get them altered, but we'll see. This one was $3.49, and I actually only found one skirt on this trip, but I thought this was fairly cute. It has like this pink swirl with this kind of pleated look to it. It is like a midi skirt, I think. And I just thought the design was pretty cute, and it's like just like, you know, elastic band and nice and flowy, and I think with a tank top tucked into it, it could be a good summer piece. All right, this jacket I found in the men's section, but it's actually a woman's piece. It was tagged woman, so the men's section is like very close to the dressing room, and I think maybe someone tried it on, didn't really like it, and then maybe popped it back, but also it's a jacket, so can't you just try that on without going to the dressing room? I don't know, but it's just this corduroy pink jacket. It's a lot like a jacket that I have already that I got at Charlotte Russe before they closed down. I'm still sad about that. Anyways, that jacket is a different shade of pink, so I thought it was justifiable to get this. Okay, this jacket is a little snug on me, just a little bit, but I think I can make do. It's definitely a statement piece, and it was, oh my gosh, it's like brand new, because it still has the original tag on it. And if this is like legitimate, apparently it's from Ralph Lauren. It's a medium, and it was originally priced at $159. If this is a real tag, I don't know how to tell things like dupes from the real, so that could be a fake tag. Either way, I think I still got a good deal on it, no matter if it's real or not. I really liked the design. I don't really know how to describe it. Maybe kind of like a giraffe print, possibly. And at Savers, this was originally, I'm sorry, this was $16.99, then half off, so yeah. Okay, and the last thing that I got were these adorable shoes. I mean, I guess they're kind of an acquired taste, but they have just like this, I don't know, I think it's just such a cool design, and I have recently really loved the square-toed look, which I guess is a little bit out of style, and you can find a lot of, I noticed like square-toed shoes at thrift stores, and I've never bought thrifted shoes before, but these looked not that worn. They are a little like, I guess, wonky, because I just think they weren't stored properly, and they just kind of got a little squished. But when you put them on a foot, this like stretches that back, and it doesn't do that. These were priced at $4.99. Then half off, like everything, like I said a million times. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this style of a thrift haul or my last thrift haul better, please leave your feedback, or maybe I can create some kind of like merge between the two. I don't know, I just feel like that previous video took so long to make and I didn't really like the outcome, and this was a lot faster to make, and I don't know, like I just felt more motivated to do this. And I know I didn't try anything on like I did the last video, but I don't know. Do you guys prefer the lengthier videos with the whole try on and more rambling about the piece, or did you like this faster, more concise video where I don't really show the pieces on the bate and go super in depth about it? I don't know. Just tell me down below. And I hope you guys have a great day. Leave a subscribe if you like my personality. Yeah, and I make videos. That's what I do. This is the most awkward outro ever. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!